Welcome to the video on unlocking productivity with Microsoft Copilot. Discover how AI-powered assistance revolutionizes the way you work with everyday Microsoft applications like Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of their Being Productive in AI Education series. Chapter 1 covers the AI revolution in everyday work. We stand at the threshold of a fundamental shift in how work gets done, transforming routine tasks into opportunities for innovation. Microsoft Copilot is your AI-powered productivity partner. Seamlessly embedded within Microsoft 365, it combines large language models with your organizational data, acting as an intelligent assistant within Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. Why Copilot matters now is clear from key statistics. 72% of businesses now use AI in at least one function. Workers save about 30 minutes weekly on emails, and document completion speed increases by 12%. The modern workplace generates more data than ever before, leading to information overload. Copilot transforms this overwhelming information into actionable insights, helping you cut through the noise. Chapter 2 focuses on Copilot in Excel, from data chaos to insight mastery. Copilot eliminates complexity, making Excel's powerful features accessible to everyone, regardless of their data background. Automate complex data tasks instantly using natural language commands. Tell Copilot what you need in plain English, and it generates sophisticated formulas or pivot tables, saving hours of manual data wrangling. Copilot simplifies predictive analytics. It identifies hidden patterns and trends in your data, enabling forecasting without complexity. This democratized analytics capability brings enterprise-level insights to every Excel user. Achieve data visualization at your fingertips. Copilot automatically creates compelling charts and dashboards, selecting the best visualization types. Finance teams report creating reports 40% faster with auto-generated visuals. Watch raw data transform into actionable intelligence with Copilot's visualization capabilities, moving you rapidly from data chaos to clarity. Chapter 3, Copilot in Word is about writing smarter, not harder. Copilot enhances both the thinking and writing process, helping you produce clearer, more compelling documents faster than ever. Draft documents in seconds. Provide a brief prompt, and Copilot generates a complete first draft, eliminating, quote, blank page syndrome. HR teams report drafting documents 3 times faster, focusing on high-value activities. Copilot offers intelligent editing and summarization beyond spell check. It refines tone and flow, and it can summarize 50-page contracts into concise key points in minutes, accelerating review cycles. Get personalized content suggestions. Copilot analyzes context to suggest appropriate language styles and technical depth for your audience. This results in communication that lands with impact. See intelligent editing in action. Copilot provides contextual suggestions that elevate your writing quality, helping you communicate more effectively. Chapter 4. Copilot in PowerPoint helps create impactful presentations effortlessly. It delivers both compelling content and visual polish, transforming how quickly you can captivate audiences. Auto-generate slide decks from text or data. Turn a Word document into a polished presentation with one command, or transform Excel data into narrative-driven slides. Sales teams create quarterly review decks in minutes. Design and layout are made easy with Copilot. It suggests professional designs and maintains consistent branding, democratizing quality so non-designers can produce visually stunning slides. Copilot generates concise speaker notes for every slide, ensuring confident delivery. It also provides executive summaries, perfect for quick briefings and improving meeting preparation. Witness the transformation at work, moving from basic slides to professional presentations, showcasing the Copilot difference in quality and speed. Chapter 5 shares real-world success stories. These examples demonstrate tangible benefits across various industries and use cases, showing theory become reality with Copilot implementation. A mid-sized retailer boosted efficiency by 25%. By using Copilot in Excel for automated inventory forecasting, they reduced inventory issues and saved over 10 hours weekly per employee on reporting. An HR department cut document preparation time by 60%, reclaiming 20 hours per week. Automating policy drafting allowed the team to focus on strategic initiatives like talent development and employee engagement. A sales team accelerated pitch creation by 70%. By generating PowerPoint decks from CRM data, they improved client engagement and increased win rates, spending more time with prospects and less time formatting. These success stories highlight how teams are working smarter together with AI-powered assistants, fostering collaboration and achieving better outcomes. Chapter 6 explores how Copilot enhances collaboration and workflow. Individual productivity gains multiply into team-wide efficiency transformations when Copilot is integrated across your entire workflow. Copilot is integrated across the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. It summarizes Teams meetings, generates follow-up tasks, drafts emails in Outlook, and helps find documents faster in SharePoint and OneDrive. Copilot reduces cognitive load and repetitive work. Automating routine tasks preserves mental energy for creative problem-solving and strategic thinking, improving both productivity and job satisfaction. It improves accessibility and inclusivity by democratizing skills, supporting multiple languages, and adapting to diverse communication styles. This creates more inclusive workplaces. This seamless ecosystem integration means you have one AI assistant, providing infinite possibilities across your entire Microsoft 365 environment. Chapter 7 focuses on getting started with Microsoft Copilot. Adoption is seamless. Copilot integrates into existing workflows, making the transition smooth and immediate. Adoption is easy with a minimal learning curve. Copilot lives inside familiar applications and uses natural language commands. You can start benefiting immediately and gain instant value. To maximize impact, start with repetitive tasks. Train your teams on prompt crafting, share internal success stories, and continuously monitor usage and iterate based on real-world feedback. Security and privacy are built in. Copilot respects organizational data policies, maintains compliance, and never uses your proprietary information to train public models. IT administrators maintain full control. The interaction is intuitive. Simply describe what you need, and Copilot translates your intent into action, simplifying complex operations. Chapter 8 looks at the future of work with Copilot. We are witnessing the early stages of a fundamental transformation. Copilot today is impressive, and Copilot tomorrow will be revolutionary. AI moves from assistance today, responding to requests, to anticipation tomorrow, proactively suggesting actions. In the future, Copilot will offer autonomy, handling end-to-end workflows independently. Copilot empowers every employee. By removing technical barriers, capabilities like analytics and design become universally accessible, accelerating innovation and maximizing the potential of every team member. Join the AI productivity revolution today. Early adopters report a 116% ROI, and 87% of users wouldn't want to work without it. The question is how quickly you can capture these competitive benefits. Thank you for watching this video. Microsoft Copilot empowers every employee to work smarter, faster, and more creatively. Let's unlock your team's full potential together and embrace the future of productivity.